What is 0.875 in scientific notation? That is how to write 0.875 in scientific notation. This is the formula for writing scientific notation: a times 10 raised to the power n. Here n is called coefficient and the value of n is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. However, this n is an integer, it can be 0, positive or negative number. So look, so to find coefficient, what will I do? If you move decimal 1 places here, so we are getting 8.75, and to compensate the movement of decimal, you have to write the power of 10. We have moved decimal point 1 places from left to right, so this will be negative 1. This number is less than 1, that is why the power will be always negative. That is, if you move decimal from left to right, the power will be negative. So this is the scientific notation. This is coefficient, and look, a here, it is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1.